can we really rely on AI technology to behave that way we want it to? Can we really control it? And I think, Kay, you might have some questions for Ada that she could answer herself.
Okay, here's the first question, Ada, if I may, down the barrel if I may. Ada, tell me, should I be scared of you?
Hello there. Thank you for speaking with me, Kay.
Kay, she's being very polite.
Question. My artwork aims to provoke in the viewer. How and in what ways do humans want AI to be developed and used in their futures? Through this exhibition, I hope to open audiences' minds to some of the different futures that may be arriving. We urgently need to discuss this.
Are you going to wipe out humanity?
Kay, many prominent voices in the world of AI are suggesting some forms of AI should be regulated. And I agree. For example, Jeff Hinton is one of the pioneers in artificial intelligence, and his work has helped shape the field as we know it today. I think his opinions over AI are important, and we should be cautious about the future development of AI.
Who's going to win the Epsom Derby?
As a humanoid, I cannot answer this as a human could. But thank you for your thoughts and question.
There you go, Kay. Ada sharing her thoughts there, but I think the whole idea behind this is to show how disruptive the technology of AI can be for the creative industries as well, and just to pose that question over whether we really know where it's going.